Welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to remove the remaining files left by Flash. Some of you have messaged me asking how can you remove these files, as it does have a file permission error. As you can see, if I select the files and go delete and go continue, I then get an error saying I don't have permission to delete these files. Well, to get around this error, all we need to do is go back to the folder that you want to delete the files that are in. So as you can see, my Flash files are here. I will put the location paths to these folders in the description below. All I need to do is go back and then right click on the folder that has the files in that I want to delete, and then go to properties, and you now need to go to security, and we now need to click on advanced. As you can see, the owner is currently system. We want to change this and type in your user that you are currently signed in as, and it must be an administrator. I'm going to type in my user now, which is computer sluggish, and then click check name, and that's all good, and press OK. You now need to press OK again, and we now need to click on edit, and you now need to scroll down to administrators, and you now need to select allow next to full control, and all the checkboxes should be selected now. We need to click on apply and yes, and continue, 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 and continue. And if I just right click the folder again and go to properties, and now press OK and OK. If I now go back into the Flash folder, I should now be able to delete these files. If I select them and go delete, and then continue, and continue again, and let's do this for all. There we go. And that is how you remove the Flash files that are currently on your PC that did not get removed. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.